guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty. So as you guys know, Becca and Jaclyn Hill's Champagne Pop is extremely popular and everybody loves that highlighter. It's a nice champagne color which suits so many skin tones. I think it suits everybody. But it is expensive. It's around $32 to $35. And if you convert it into the Indian currency, it's going to be approximately 3,000 bucks or even more than that, and I didn't want to spend that much on a highlighter, so I found a dupe for you guys. And if you have seen my earlier video wherein I talk about the hot product launches, you've already seen this product. So this is actually Faces Ultim Pro Illuminating Powder, and this is a new launch from Faces. And yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. It's the standard silver and black packaging that Faces has, and this retails for 650 rupees only, and I think this is really affordable because you get a lot of quantity as well, and that's why I love this. And this is just the illuminating powder. It doesn't have a name as such. I'm just going to show all the packaging, like how it looks like. So yeah, this is it. This is how it looks like. It's so pretty. And then you open this up and you see that beautiful highlighter, and it resembles Jaclyn Hill's Champagne Pop a lot. I'm going to leave a picture of Champagne Pop somewhere so that y'all can see how it looks like. And yeah, just a close up. This looks really nice, and this is going to suit so many skin tones. So yeah, good job Faces on the color. Now I'm just going to swatch this highlighter on my hand and on my cheekbones as well, so you all can see the pigmentation and the quality of this highlighter. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Super pigmented and super creamy. Wow, love it. So this is how the highlighter looks like. As you can see, it's really pretty. And yeah, I love it. Obviously it's not going to be as pigmented as of Champagne Pop, but again the quality is really nice. They're very creamy and very smooth as well to apply, and just pigmentation is also good enough. So yeah, this is how it looks like. And what I like about this is that it's not so intense as well. Like some highlighters are really intense, so like you just pick up small amount of it and it's going to be like boom, intense on your cheekbones, and sometimes you don't want that look. So you can just build this highlighter up as well. So that's why I love this. I'm just going to swatch this on my cheekbones so you all can see how it looks like. So I've just zoomed in so you all can see how it actually looks like on my cheekbones. So I'm just going to take it on my highlighting brush and just apply it on my cheekbones. I don't know if the camera is actually picking up the color, but it's really pretty. See? So pretty, right? So yeah, I love this highlighter, and this is how it looks like. So yeah guys, this was just a small video. I know, I just wanted to talk about the dupe so badly, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with all your friends. Also follow me on my social media, that is Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The handle is bestofbeauty29. Also, you can now add me on Snapchat. It's just Siddhi. I'm going to leave the username on the screen so you all can add me, because I'm going to do a lot of sneak peeks over there, and I'm going to show all what products I buy on a day-to-day basis as well. So make sure you add me. Make sure you check out my blog as well, which is www.bestofbeauty29.com. I do a lot of product reviews there as well. And hit the subscribe button right now. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one, guys. Love you.